the largest solar thermal power plant in the world. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Ivanpah solar electric generating system. So the Ivanpah solar electric generating system is located in the Mojave Desert in California near the Nevada border. The plant is jointly owned by NRG Energy, Google, and BrightSource Energy, and was constructed by Bechtel. It is a concentrated solar power, or CSP plant, using solar thermal technology. The plant uses 173,500 computer-controlled mirrors called Heliostats that each stand about 4 feet tall and are 22 feet wide. These heliostats focus sunlight onto boilers atop 450-foot towers, which heat up water and create steam. The steam then drives turbines to generate electricity. Each of the 3 units at the plant has a gross capacity of 126 megawatts, 133 megawatts, and 133 megawatts respectively, bringing the total gross capacity to 392 megawatts. This is enough electricity to power approximately 140,000 homes. The plant also uses air-cooled condensers to cool the electricity-generating equipment, which helps minimize water use. According to the developers, during peak sunlight hours, the plant can generate enough electricity to power 25% of California's homes. In terms of electricity production, Ivanpah generates roughly 850,000 to 940,000 megawatts per year. This offsets roughly 400,000 to 500,000 tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually. To start up and for auxiliary heating, natural gas is used, which accounts for about 2 to 3% of the plant's energy production. Now let us take a look at some of the pros and cons of this type of solar thermal technology. On the plus side, it significantly reduces carbon emissions and water usage, especially considering its location in the desert where water is scarce. On the negative side, however, since the plant uses mirrors to concentrate sunlight, the flux can be quite intense, and unfortunately, this kills a lot of birds. Additionally, the solar thermal technology takes up a lot of space and impacts fragile desert ecosystems. For example, there are concerns that the Ivanpah plant could impact the desert tortoise, which is an endangered species. Now, when it comes to the plant's performance, unfortunately, Ivanpah's actual output has fallen short of initial expectations. 2014 and 2015, the plant struggled to meet its energy contracts due to a variety of factors, including high operating costs and lower than expected energy production. Now, a study conducted by the Solar Energy Industries Association attributes these issues to several factors specific to the Ivanpah plant, such as the use of older technology and an unanticipated decline in the availability of natural gas for use in the startup. Another issue is that there have been problems with the plant's mirrors. Specifically, there have been instances of the mirrors not properly tracking the sun, due to issues with the plant's computer-controlled system. This has resulted in a loss of energy production and also damage to the mirrors themselves. Looking ahead, both of the 2 units are scheduled to close by 2026, which is quite a bit sooner than expected. The owners are currently exploring options for repurposing the site, which could include installing photovoltaic solar panels and battery storage. This transition would align the plant with current energy trends and help meet California's clean energy goals. Alright, so that's a look at the Ivanpah solar electric generating system. Hopefully you found this video informative, so please feel free to leave a like. And if you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.